In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete payment method in Lucidchart. In order to do that, you first need to head over to lucidchart.com and then you should be able to see this. Now in here, you can just click on the sign up for free in order to sign up using your email, or you can also sign up using your Google, Microsoft, and Slack. If you already have an account like I did, just head over and click onto this sign up for free and you should be able to see in here this login option. Just enter your email or username that you already use. Now in my case, I already have my actual account, and if I want to delete the payment method, you just need to head over right here to your profile icon, click onto this account settings. Then from in there, it should be able to open in here this new tab that will show us the settings for my actual account. Now into this, you can see this plan and billing. Click on that, and from in there, you can see your plan. You can see your plans that are available to that. And then from in there, you can see your payment method. So if you have a save payment method into this part, you can just click on it, or you just click on the three dots from there in order to delete that particular plan or that particular payment method. You can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to do so from there, or you can also change the payment method that has been provided from in here. So if you're planning to buy or if you're planning to cancel a particular plan, you can head over and remove your payment method as long as you don't have an active plan that you currently have on Lucidchart. So take note of that as well. So further histories like billing history as well as billing information should also reflect right here into this part. So that's how you delete payment method in Lucidchart. I hope this video helped you out.